they only reward their psychopaths. Yeah.
Chik okilwacho ni ok chiko kone ubeni bedo entrenched in everything. Ingeni before the promulgation of the 2010 constitution, there was no requirement of the two-third gender rule. Koro no kete e chik. Mako katibu wacho ni koro nyaka the two-third gender rule should be achieved. But onge formula mono keto ma compel political parties to achieve this. Marami wacho ni political parties themselves, even when there is no regulation of that, political parties themselves should relook into this issue. Magi winjre as political parties, gikete kata constitution of a political party. Ni for the party list, for one to be, for us to be seen to have been, to have achieved this gender rule, onego one nominate, when it comes to the National Assembly, kawan ge slots marjia ochiko. Karawaket jiadi, abich, ne wawal juma mine. To jia ngwen, wawene juma chuo. By that we shall have met that threshold. But just because there's no regulation, political parties have that window to do that. And mani okgedwa time,